been carrying the weight of us for years, drowning in the silence and I'd shed tears. Held my breath beneath the surface, waiting for your hand to pull me up, but you were fading. You stood there on the shoreline and watching me, filling up my pockets with your empty sea. The water got so heavy, pulling down, a queen of sunken crowns who lost her crown. I can't fight the current anymore. My strength is gone, I must head for shore. Oh, the weight of the water and your love dragging me down never was enough. Fighting for air, losing the light in the endless blue of the drowning night. But I'm kicking up to the surface today, leaving the wreckage. I won't stay, breathing the air that is bitter and free. The weight of the water is off of me. Now I'm standing on my beach, so cold and new. Horizon wide open, sky so blue. Looking back at ocean's prison wall, feeling just a shudder for the girl who fell. But the sun is warming up my skin, learning how to live and breathe again. Salt is drying on my cheeks, so grand. Proof I chose myself and reached the land. Waves still call with siren pain, but I'll ignore them in the rain. Oh, the weight of the water and your love dragging me down never was enough. Fighting for air, losing the light in the endless blue of the drowning night. But I'm kicking up to the surface today, leaving the wreckage. I won't stay, breathing the air that is bitter and sweet. The weight of the water is off of me. Oh, the weight of the water and your love dragging me down never was enough. Fighting for air, losing the light in the endless blue of such a drowning night. But I'm kicking up to the surface today, leaving the wreckage. I won't stay, breathing the air that is bitter and free. The weight of the water is off of me. Sunlight bleeds through the dusty pane, falls on the space where your picture once claimed. Silence screams louder than words could say in this hollow room since you went away. Every creak of the floor, every tick of the clock echoes the sound of a love that's now blocked by the distance you chose and the door that you closed, leaving me stranded with all that we posed. I trace the lines on the empty chair, fingertips finding only cold air. Memories flicker like dying light in the gathering shadows of this endless night. Oh, it's all turning into dust and rust, promises scattered, corroded by trust. This love we built now crumbling slow, a beautiful ruin only with the tears that I spill as I hold it too tight. A relic of warmth in this cold fading light. The city moves on, a blur outside, while I'm frozen here, nowhere to hide from the replaying scenes on a loop in my mind of the love that was lost, the ties left untwined. The phone stays silent, a heavy stone, a reminder I'm utterly alone. This museum of moments faded and worn, where the hope of your coming is brutally torn. Oh, it's all turning into dust and rust, promises scattered, corroded by trust. This love we built now crumbling slow, a beautiful ruin, only I seem to know. This ache in my chest, it won't fade or adjust, just gathers like dust and rust. Did you ever feel it, this weight, this despair? Or did you just vanish into thinner air, leaving me grappling with the why and the how, the unanswered questions that suffocate now? I try to let go, to rebuild the wall, but the foundations you shattered won't hold at all. Just echoes remain, and this choking gray cloud. Am I screaming your name, or is it too loud? rain streaks on the window pane, blurring neon lights like lingering pain. Sinking worries ripples in the deep. Who can tell me where this drifting ends? They say time's a river washing pain away, but memories like rocks where shadows stay, drifting with the flow or fighting the stream. Water knows the answer in its endless blue, holding every tear and courage too. Soft as it seems, carves mountains through. Silent flow, life's deepest cry. Me in the mirror, a fragmented view, lost in a whirlpool, which face is true? Once a vap.
Footprints in the dust, where we once walked. Every trace of us in that fine red rock, hand in hand, no need to rush. Love written in those footprints in the dust. Through the trials and the tears we stand firm, lessons of the heart we both have learned. Here in this place we call our own, a legacy of love forever shown. Years may pass, but memories won't fade. In this dusty path our vows were made. Life's simple moments deeply intertwined. Footprints in the dust, where we once walked. Every trace of us in that fine red rock, hand in hand, no need to rush. Love written in those footprints in the dust. Through the trials and the tears we stand firm,